Every now and then I would get the question, what happens when a spouse dies and their ex-spouse is the beneficiary on the life insurance policy? I would sit in my office in front of the grieving spouse, and I would position myself like this in the chair because I would get exhausted, because I knew I was going to have to tell the spouse sitting in front of me, who was very concerned because they probably didn't have money for the burial. I knew I was going to have to say, well, I think you might have to eat a little humble pie and go and ask the ex-spouse to bury your spouse. But guess what? I got good news. There is hope. The laws have changed. I'm attorney Vernita Williams. Well, I got up a little energy as of 2012 because a law passed that as of July 2012, if the ex-spouse is the beneficiary on the life insurance policy, that designation is null and void if there is a divorce. They're an ex, right? There's a divorce. So as of July 2012, there is a statute that says that life insurance designation is null and void, and that ex-spouse is considered to have died before the spouse that passed away. So that makes a ray of hope for the spouse who has things to take care of. She has a memorial service to plan. She has her own life to lead afterwards. She has an estate to settle. She has bills to pay. So things are very, very different. So if you find yourself in this situation, there is help for you. That ex-spouse is not to receive the life insurance proceeds of your departed spouse. Now, when I first heard about this, I was wondering, my goodness, what if there's a mistake? What if the ex-spouse goes ahead, files an insurance claim, gets the money? So as I looked a little further into it, the insurance company is supposed to have the ex-spouse fill out an affidavit stating that they did not get a divorce. And in that process, the insurance company is supposed to discover that the ex-spouse is an ex-spouse and no longer entitled to the insurance proceeds. So that's how that is supposed to work. I'm attorney Vernita Williams. If you would like additional things to help you get your affairs in order, you can go to my website. There is a checklist of 25 things you can do to set your affairs in order. There is also a list that contains 25 estate planning tips to help you avoid legal nuisances and nightmares. Please feel free to call me with your questions, comments, or suggestions at 786-831-9483. That's 786-831-9483. Thank you for listening.